One dad recommended, study hard so you can find a good company to work for. The other recommended, study hard so you can find a good company to buy. One dad taught me how to write an impressive resume so I could find a good job. The other taught me how to write strong business and financial plans so I could create jobs. Because I was only 9 years old when I started, the lessons my rich dad taught me were simple. And when it was all said and done, there were only 6 main lessons, repeated over 30 years. This book is about those 6 lessons, put as simply as possible as my rich dad put forth those lessons to me. The lessons. Lesson number 1. The rich don't work for money. Lesson number 2. Why teach financial literacy? Lesson number 3. Mind your own business. Lesson number 4. The history of taxes and the power of corporations. Lesson number 5. The rich invent money. Lesson number 6. Work to learn. Don't work for money. This video lesson is brought to you by Iqbal Sajid. Selection from Rich Dad Poor Dad written by Robert Kiyosaki.